How to make classic Margherita pizza. Hey there, pizza lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back to the basics with a classic recipe that never goes out of style. A Margherita pizza. This pizza is simple, fresh, and absolutely delicious. If you're a fan of traditional Italian flavors, this one's for you. Let's get started. Ingredients. Let's begin by going over the ingredients you'll need for our classic Margherita pizza. For the dough you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 packet of instant yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and for the toppings, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, preferably San Marzano tomatoes, 1½ cups of fresh mozzarella sliced, or a handful of fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste. With these simple ingredients, we're ready to make an authentic Margherita pizza. Making the dough. Let's start with the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 packet of instant yeast. Mix these dry ingredients together until they're well combined. Next, add 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the dough is nice and smooth, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a cloth, and let it rise for about an hour until it doubles in size. Preparing the toppings. While our dough is rising, let's prepare the toppings. We're using fresh mozzarella for that creamy, rich flavor, and fresh basil leaves to give it that classic Margherita taste. Slice the mozzarella into even pieces, and set aside a handful of basil leaves. This pizza is all about simple, fresh ingredients that come together beautifully. Assembling the pizza. Our dough has risen, so let's preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice and hot for that perfect pizza crust. On a floured surface, roll out the dough into a thin circle, about the size of your pizza pan. Place the dough onto your pizza pan or a baking sheet. Spread 1/2 cup of tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, layer the fresh mozzarella slices evenly over the tomato sauce. Top it off with a few fresh basil leaves. Don't worry, we'll add more after it's baked. Finally, drizzle 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over the pizza, and sprinkle a little salt and black pepper to taste. Baking the pizza. Now let's bake our pizza. Pop it into the preheated oven, and let it bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is golden and the mozzarella is melted and bubbly. The final touch. Our Margherita pizza is out of the oven, and it looks amazing. For the final touch, add a few more fresh basil leaves on top for that vibrant color and fresh flavor. Let the pizza cool for a minute before slicing it up. This Margherita pizza is the perfect blend of simplicity and flavor. The fresh mozzarella, basil, and tomato sauce come together in a way that's absolutely irresistible. And that's how you make a classic Margherita pizza at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments what your favorite pizza topping is, and if you try this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking, and enjoy your pizza.